Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on natural language processing by PamTen. Now, before we understand what NLP or natural language processing is, we'll start by understanding how do humans communicate and what exactly is natural language. We have this very simple sentence over here, which is Joey loves pizza. Now, what is this sentence comprised of? It is comprised of words, isn't it? So, consider these words as individual pieces of a puzzle. By themselves, they do not give much information, but when you combine all of these individual pieces together, it becomes a very beautiful picture. Similarly, when you combine these three words together, Joey loves pizza, it becomes this sentence. So we as humans know that Joey is the name of a person, loves is a verb, pizza is a food item. And there are certain rules if you have to communicate well. Joey loves pizza makes sense. But if you were to interchange these words and if we say loves pizza Joey, that does not make much sense, right? So there are certain rules when you have to communicate, and we as humans understand that. So that is how humans communicate. But if I were to feed this sentence to this machine, it will not understand this. A computer can only understand binary, which is zeros and ones. So what do we do here? How do we make this machine understand this sentence? Well, this is where natural language processing comes in. And this is the building block for your LLM or ChatGPT. Now, we have feeded this sentence into this machine, and this machine will break this down into individual words or tokens. So we have first token, which is Joey, then we have loves, and then pizza. Okay, we have broken down this sentence into individual tokens, but still the machine will not understand any of these tokens because it can only understand 0 and 1. So here what happens is it will attach some special information to each token, and the special information is known as a word vector. So this word or this token Joey will have a word vector like this. Similarly, loves will have a word vector like this, and pizza will have this word vector. Now, again, these word vectors they have numbers, but still they have to be further converted into binary language. So, this is the first step in the NLP process where we take the sentence, break it down into individual tokens, and add a word vector to each of this token. So that was the first step where we had our tokens. Now, once we have our tokens, we have to do part of speech stacking. So we as humans know that what is a verb, what is a pronoun, what is an adjective, and so on. Similarly, for this machine, we have to tag each word as a noun, verb, or something else. Break down into tokens, power of speech tagging, and then next we have something called as named entity recognition. So here what we do is if we have the name of a person, we label it as the name of a person. If it is a product, we label it as a product. If it were a date, we'll label it as a date and so on. So these are the crucial steps when we are performing NLP. Now, all of this is fine. We have broken down the sentence into words and we have done some power speech tagging. We have given named entity recognition, but still there is no context associated with this. So how do we give the context? Well, there is something called as a position vector. Now, for Joey loves pizza, what we do is we add the position vector 1 to the first word. Similarly, we have the position vector 2 to the second word and 3 to the third word so that the machine is able to understand which word comes where. So, folks, these are the fundamental rules of NLP. And if you take maybe LLM or ChatGPT, this is what is happening under the hood. So, if you ask ChatGPT what is 2 plus 2, it will basically convert that entire sentence into tokens, do all of this process, and then give back the result. And also, when it is giving you back the result, it will perform the same process. So, we've understood the fundamental principles of NLP. Now we'll go ahead and do a demo in Python. So here I have my Google Colab open and we'll be using this Spacey library to perform some NLP basics. So here we also have an English language model and we'll add or feed this English language model into our library. And I've taken this text, which is Joey loves pizza. He went to the park yesterday. Now, what I'll do is I will iterate or go through each of the word in this sentence and I will show this as a token. So here you will see that Joey has been represented as the first token. Then we have loves, pizza, and also you will see that all the punctuation marks have been taken as a token as well. So here you have a full stop, and even that full stop has been taken as a token. And also this full stop will help as a marker or the position vector for this machine to understand. Then we have named entity recognition. Here I feed in the same sentence, and when I feed in the same sentence, you will see that it is able to recognize Joey is a person, yesterday is a date. Then we go ahead and do part of speech tagging. So here again, you will see that Joey has been recognized as proper noun, loves has been recognized as verb, pizza has been recognized as noun, and so on. So, folks, in this video, we have understood what NLP is, and then we've also looked at a basic demo where we were implementing named entity recognition and power speech tagging. So, if you have liked this video, do hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more such intriguing videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.